Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 116, and today's topic is how to add a marching dots animation in a data flow diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to the workspace page. Over there you need to select Concept Sketchup because in ALN Studio to generate a DFT diagram we use Concept Sketchup. I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is online shopping system, and it got generated in just 15 to 20 seconds. Same way you can also save your time. Now today we are talking about the animation, so kindly go to the animations, enable this marching dot, and you could see multiple dots are flowing around the edges to showcase the flow of the diagram. Now if you want to update the number of dots, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot spacing, you can do it from here. If you want to update the animation speed, you can do it from here. If you want to increase the depth fade, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot glow intensity, then you can do it from here. So basically adding a marching dot animation in ALN Studio helps you to make your data flow diagrams more dynamic and easy to understand. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.